have a different cable. Yeah, this particular cable right now, we call it neutral. This black one is neutral. Yeah, it's a neutral cable. Yeah. While the red one is a live cable. We use it for live. Yeah, you can call it men, whatever you want to call it. Live. So I have two different cables here right now. With this one, this yellow one is art. So I'm going to draw these three different cables right now. What I have to do first is to peel it. You have to peel it. You have to peel it one by one. You have to peel the three of them. Good. After peeling it, please guys.